So I'm on this Bristol Corsair, 24-foot Bristol Corsair. I think it's 24 foot. I still haven't cleared it up. And I've got some epoxy mixed up, epoxy and some a little bit of wood shavings. But got a couple layers here already prepared. I've got most of this already wet out. And throwing these on is not a one-hand job, so let me do that. Fourteen, 15, 23, 24, 25. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 25. Just had to cut my roller open because that's pretty solid, and that is what happens when you work a 90-degree tent. And that is okay. We just know that it's going to dry for sure. So I've got the underside of the deck completely laminated. So I'll let that set up, and then I can start installing these strips of coring to fit. In the meantime, I've got to run and grab some silica to mix up some filler for this, to actually adhere this to it. So this is all about timing. If you guys made it this far, go ahead and like, subscribe. I appreciate you watching. You'll get notifications for this and other projects as they progress. I appreciate it. Thanks.